Hello friends, this is the problem where we are having some multiple summing points. To solve such type of block diagrams, we have to observe the initially how many blocks are in cascade and parallel. Here we have see these two blocks are in parallel. They are reduced by using rule number 2 into a single block, that is adding of these two signals, that is G2 plus G3, and this block is G1, and this is the summing point as remains. Now I am rewriting the remaining blocks as H1, and here one more summing point and H2, and this is the feedback to this, and one more forward gain, that is G4. It is given to here plus H1, and this is C and R. Now use rule number 1 here. These two blocks are in cascade. Use rule number 1 to make it one block, and here this is the complexity where we have to concentrate. Now I am rewriting this one as it is. This blocks G1 into of G2 plus G3, cascade. In cascade it is multiplied, and here I am rewriting this because this is the first problem of such type. You have not to get confused. Now I am writing this. This is plus sign, and here G4, this is minus, and this is the forward gain. Now I have to shift this to here, this summing point, by using rule number 6. When we are shifting a summing point ahead of any block, then it has to be inverse to the respective connected gain. That block will reduced like this. This is same as it is G2 plus G3, and here summing point I moved, and this H2 signal here, H1 is in cascade, and then this gain inverse to this G4 by H2, and here I have found summing point. To this is R, this is C. Okay, now these two blocks are comes in cascade like here. You observe these two are in cascade. It becomes H1 into H2. Okay, when I rewrite this block, it becomes simplification of this G1 into of G2 plus G3, and summing point, one summing point and another summing point here. It becomes like this, H1 into H2, and this is the block G4 divided by H2. Here it is minus, this is plus, and see. Now use rule number 8 where associative problem, associative rule, these two summing points can be written as 1, or I can rewrite this block diagrams like this. I am just shifting this to here, this block I am shifting here. Then what happens, these two summing points come into the same, and this is G1 into G2 plus G3, and here this blocks H1 H2 feedback, and here this is the block G4 divided by H2 having negative like this, R and C. Now this is forward path, forward gain, and here this is the feedback, then feedback signal can be reduced into single, that is G1 into of G2 plus G3 divided by, here because plus sign, 1 minus G1 this to H1 H2 into of G2 plus G3, and this block is reduced into 1 minus G4 divided by H2. Now these two blocks are in cascade, these two are in multiplied, 1 minus G4 by H2 into of G1 into G2 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G1 H1 H2 G2 plus G3. This is our C by R transfer function. Further, still it is possible, cross multiply this and multiply this block into this, and you can get the remaining answer. Thank you.